hearty welcome to all the viewers to another edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about change of statements which are in reporting speech into reported speech. So, reporting and reported speech statement. To change a statement which is in reporting speech into reported speech, we have to do the following. So, these are the guidelines. First point, use of told. It is optional. Even we can write said also. Second one is that. After writing told, he told, we have to use the word that. It is a unique item. Next one is change in tense and person. Common. Grammar is interrelated, interconnected. What we learned earlier also we have to apply. Change in tense. Present tense will be changed into past tense. If already simple past tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. Finally, removal of comma, inverted comma, etc. Simple past tense in reporting speech will be changed into past perfect tense in reported speech. For universal truths, honesty is the best policy. Everyday activity, the sun rises in the east, the sun sets at the west. For these things, there is no change in tense because it is everyday activity. Honesty is the best policy. It is universal truth. No change in tense. So, these are all the guidelines. Let us try to apply. When we apply these guidelines, naturally we will get the reporting speech. He said. So, question is, he said, comma, inverted comma, I am coming today. Already in the introduction one list is given. Today, that day, tomorrow, the next day. One list is given. This, that, now, then. So, one list is given. I am coming today. I am coming today. It is in statement because there is no question mark. There is no exclamatory mark. And sentence is starting with subject, not with verb. When it is starting with verb, it becomes imperative. So, he said, I am coming today is statement in reporting speech. Let us change. So, what is the first point? He told. He told. Next one is that. So, change in person. I will become he. He, am, past tense is was. So, he was coming. Today will become that day. So, answer for this is he told that he was coming that day. This is the correct answer for question number 1. Now, let us go to question number 2. She said she can do it now. So, answer, she told that she could. Can, past tense is could. Now will be changed into then. She told that she could do it then. So, these are the 2 examples. So, let us go to the third one. They said the train left already. The train left already, simple past tense. Present tense will be changed into past tense. Already simple past tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. They told that the train had left already. That the train had left. So, point is applied. What is the point? Simple past tense in reporting speech will be changed into past perfect tense in reported speech. It is simple past, so it is changed into past perfect tense. So, let us go to the 4th example. The child said, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. So, it is everyday affair, common activity. So, there is no change in tense. The child told that the sun rises in the east. So, fifth example, The student said, India won the match. So the students told that India had won the match. Already past tense, simple past tense. So it will be converted into past perfect tense. The student told that India had won the match. So let us go to the sixth and last example. He said, comma, inverted comma, I am studying physics. So let us apply all the guidelines. He told that he was, am past tense is was, I will be changed into he. So he was studying physics. So these are the 6 examples. Always follow the guidelines. So guidelines will help you to write the correct answer. Step by step all the points are given. Remember these 5 points plus common activities, everyday affair, no change in tense. Dear viewers, let us do this simple exercise to check your understanding of statement. The process of changing it into reported speech from reporting speech. So fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So to write the blanks, we need the familiarity of the guidelines given at the video. Ravi said, let us go to the first one. Ravi said, I will help the students. Just blanks are there. You have to fill with the help of the guidelines given for the conversion of reporting speech into reported speech. Ravi told, said is told. So 3 blanks. So what is the unique word? Unique word is that. That. I, change a person. Change a person. Who is I? I refer to Ravi. So who is Ravi? He, not I, not you. He. So that he will be changed into, change in tense, will be changed into would. He would. So this is the correct answer. So that he would. So these are the appropriate answers to the blanks. So let us go for the second one. She said, my teacher is on leave. So she told. Then what is the next unique word? Unique word is that. That my teacher. Whose teacher? That her teacher. So my will become her. Her teacher. Is will become was. Change in tense. Present tense will become past tense. So this is the correct answer for the second blank. Let us go for the third example. They said she got admission in an engineering college. So already we discussed present tense will become past tense. When already past tense means simple past means it will become past perfect tense. They told. Unique word is that. So she got will be changed as she had got admission in an engineering college. So let us go for the fourth sentence. The girl said, the sun sets at the west. Already clearly told, everyday activity, universal truth. There is no change in tense. So the girl said, so the girl told that, only that, the unique item that, and other things we simply copy. The girl told that the sun sets at the west. So let us go to the last question. Which is a unique word used in the reported speech of statements? Unique word is that. That is an indication that will help us to identify statements. So dear viewers, please go through the description box for notes of this video. This reported speech is very much helpful to the students of 9th, 10th, it is their syllabus in grammar, and for others also. And without reporting and reported speech, we cannot write our own sentences. So please go through it and try to be thorough. Do more exercise. Thank you.